The insulation has arrived. I'm going to have to take that apart, work with it over time. But before I can even start the installation, I need to get my shore power inlets, the holes drilled. I put some 1/2-inch plywood behind the sheet metal, screwed it in. Those are the pilot holes for the hole saw bits. So it's reinforced. People who know me from the past know I like to reinforce things. So there you go. So I'm doing this part now before I do the installation because there, of course, will be some electrical wires coming in from these inlets, and I just need to have that done before I pack insulation around it. Going on the bottom middle there is the main, will be the 30 amp shore power inlet. On the top left is the 15 amp shore power inlet as an option. On the right is really just an extension cord plug. That's all it is. It's just a way of plugging in from the outside, hooking up to an extension cord or other cords on the inside. So I got the other 2 holes drilled. So this is my other 15 amp inlet, and as you can see, it already has 2 extension cord receptacles. It's a wired unit already. All I gotta do is just install it in the wall. Again, this is strictly for convenience, for running an extension cord from the van out to an external 15 amp AC outlet, and I can plug in maybe my smaller Echo battery or some other appliances, here inside the van without drawing from the battery bank if the battery bank is just low. So anyway, it's an option for other things. Also, if I ever happen to have the opportunity to do some music somewhere from the van, some kind of a music program or something, I can plug in an amplifier and not drain the battery. So that's what this is for. So now we have the wired into the system. This is the 15 amp shore power. if everyone can just plug into a regular 15 amp power source. That's shore power wired into the system. This is the actually just an extension cord inlet that goes to a 2-branch extension cord inside the van in case I want to just power some specific individual appliances or something directly without using the power system. So it's strictly for outside powering of appliances. And of course, then here's the 30 amp, the main shore power inlet. So we got them mounted. Guess what? Now we got to put together the whole power system.